Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS beginners to advanced. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS colors. Colors are specified using predefined color names or RGB, X, HSL, RGBA, HSLA values. Once again, colors are specified using predefined color names or RGB, HEX, HSL, RGBA, HSLA values. In our previous tutorial in our HTML beginners to the advanced, we have discussed a lot about CSS colors, a lot about colors, and I really explain much more in the chapter. I would advise you if you can go there and check our HTML CSS, check our HTML beginners to the advanced playlist, and check the color playlist where I discuss about colors in details, especially RGB, XHSL, RGB, everything. I discuss about it in details. But in this topic also, I'm going to put it inside our playlist right here also, so you can be able to understand it again more better. And there are some things that I will still be adding to this also, just to make sure that I really give you guys something nice. So this playlist right here is going to be CSS color playlist, so you can check it, so you can be able to understand, so you can be able to follow along. And to our next tutorial, anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you.